Welcome! This tutorial will demonstrate how students create course schedules from their academic planner in BC Navigate and register with a single click. This is a brief overview of the one-click registration process that covers the main features. You'll find a more in-depth tutorial that covers all of the features of one-click registration by clicking the link in the description area below this video. Google Chrome is the recommended browser for utilizing BC Navigate. First, log into One Access from the Broward College homepage by clicking the Login button located here. Once logged in, click the My BC tile. The link for Navigate is located here on your My BC homepage. From the Navigate homepage, click Planner to access your academic planner. Your advisor will send you plan suggestions in Navigate. It's important to note that you must accept the plan that your advisor sends you in order for it to populate in the planner. Plan Suggestions lists individual courses as well as courses grouped by subject that can be selected and dragged into terms on the right side of the planner. One thing to note is that many students, particularly new students, will have a plan autoload based on their program of study. In that case, the terms will already be populated with courses. An autoloaded plan can still be modified based on conversations between students and their advisor. Additional terms can be added as needed by clicking the Add New Terms button. Once your academic plan has been created, you can begin creating schedules for each term that has courses planned. The Scheduler page can be accessed by clicking the View Edit Schedule button located within a term in the plan. We'll click View Edit Schedule on the summer term of this plan to begin creating a schedule. On the Scheduler page, you will see buttons on the left side which you will use to set preferences, create schedules, and seek assistance if need be. Within the Preferences tab, you can select your preferred campus or campuses, including BC Online. Below that, you can select Busy Times, which will place a block on your weekly calendar based on the days of the week and time frames that you select. This is done by clicking Add New Time and then selecting a day of the week and a busy time frame. Now those busy times have been added, and we can see that those time frames are blocked off on the calendar as denoted in blue. Weekly Outside Commitments provides a counter for different types of commitments in a student's life. Once your preferences have been set, click Update Preferences here in order to save your selections. Now we're ready to pick sections of the courses we planned for the summer term. First, we'll click the Parts button. This will display all sessions within the term. We'll choose the first 6-week session of the summer term. This allows us to view section availability for this course. You'll notice 3 tabs. The Available tab shows sections of English composition that work with your preferences. The Conflicting tab displays sections that conflict with your preferences. Finally, the Full tab will display sections that are currently full. This information is updated in real time. Once you have located the section you want, you can select it by either dragging it over to the right and dropping it onto the calendar, or you can click the Actions button and select Add Section. Once added, you'll see the course listed at the appropriate days and times on your calendar. Toward the top of your schedule, you'll notice a helpful visual showing the length of the course within the term. Let's go ahead and repeat this process with the next planned course for the term. This time we'll click and drag the course onto the schedule. So now we have the 2 course sections selected, and we can see a summary of what we've selected here below the calendar. As a reminder, these courses are not yet registered. We are ready to register though, which we can do with a single click. Here you'll see a Register button and a Pay Tuition button. If you don't see these buttons, a simple browser refresh will make them appear. Once the courses are registered, you can click the Pay Tuition button, which will redirect you back to My BC to make payment arrangements. Let's click the Register button. And the courses are now registered. A transaction summary will be displayed, showing the 2 courses that were registered along with a timestamp. Click Got It to clear the transaction summary. In addition to registering for courses, you can also drop and withdraw from courses from your Scheduler page. In order to do that, you can scroll down past your calendar to this section called Registered Courses. This section was called Planned Courses before you hit the Register button. To drop a course, you would click the Actions button on the Course section dialog box and select Drop. Once the drop with refund date is passed for the session that the course is in, this will say Withdraw instead of Drop, and if selected, will display a message explaining the consequences of withdrawing from a course and asking you to confirm that you wish to withdraw from the course. As a reminder, you can find a more in-depth tutorial that covers all of the features of one-click registration by clicking the link in the description area below this video.